Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make a brother birthday card. First, let's gather our supplies. You'll need some sturdy paper for the card base, like cardstock or construction paper. Grab your favorite colorful markers, pens, or crayons for writing and drawing. Don't forget scissors, glue, and any fun decorative elements such as stickers or glitter to make it extra special. Having everything ready makes the creative process smooth and enjoyable. Now that you have your materials, let's start designing. Take your paper and fold it neatly in half to form the card's foundation. Think about your brother's personality and what makes him laugh. Brainstorm some inside jokes or special memories you share. These make the best personal touches. Then, sketch a fun design or a heartfelt drawing on the front. This is where your creativity truly shines. With your design in place, it's time to decorate. Carefully use glue to attach any photos, glitter, or other embellishments you've chosen. Now, open the card and write your personalized birthday message. Make sure it's clear and heartfelt, expressing your love and best wishes. Consider adding a small, unique drawing or even a hidden message inside for an extra surprise. These details make the card truly memorable. Before you present your amazing creation, do a final check. Make sure all the glue is completely dry and that your card feels sturdy and well assembled. You might also consider adding a small envelope or tying a festive ribbon around it for a polished presentation. Your brother will surely appreciate the effort and thought you put into his special card. Also, life's too short for cheap socks, so check the description for a link to darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, plus other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.